Notion CRM template full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are added in the description, so check them out if you want to dive deeper or try a template for your own use. Notion CRM templates offer a flexible and highly customizable way for freelancers, small businesses, startups, and teams to manage their customer relationships directly within Notion's all-in-one workspace. Unlike traditional CRM software, these templates leverage Notion's modular databases, task management, and note-taking features to create a personalized CRM system that fits your unique workflow. Core features typically include contact and company databases, sales pipeline boards, customizable deal stages, task and activity tracking, and reminders. Users can easily link contacts to deals, attach notes or documents, and visualize their sales process through Kanban boards, tables, or calendars. One of the key advantages of Notion CRM templates is their versatility. You're not locked into fixed fields or rigid workflows. Instead, you design a CRM that matches how you and your team operate, making it ideal for entrepreneurs, consultants, and small teams that want full control without the complexity or cost of dedicated CRM platforms. Collaboration is seamless, with real-time updates and easy sharing among team members. However, there are some trade-offs. Notion CRM templates lack built-in automation, meaning features like automated email follow-ups, lead scoring, or detailed sales analytics require external tools or manual workarounds. Performance can also suffer when managing large data sets or very complex workflows, limiting scalability. Additionally, since Notion is a general productivity tool, it doesn't provide some specialized CRM functionalities like native marketing automation or advanced reporting out of the box. In conclusion, Notion CRM templates are a fantastic choice for individuals and small teams who value flexibility, simplicity, and customization in their CRM without heavy costs or technical overhead. If you want a visually intuitive and adaptable CRM built around your workflow and collaboration needs, Notion is worth a serious look. Links to top templates and setup guides are in the description below.